Good morning, children. In the previous video of file pointers, I have explained you that how the pointers can be moved to any place, but it was the topic of text file. In this video, I will explain you that in binary files, the file pointer can be moved from the current position also. We have seen that in text file, the file pointer can only be moved from the beginning. So this was clear to you that in Python 3.6, text file was supporting only seek for the positive, as well as it is for the beginning of the file, and negative offset can only work with the binary mode file. So today we will see this example. Let's see the first example. Here I have created a file 1, and written the matter, this line in that file, and after that file has been closed. When we have opened, see the difference, the file was written or created by using a text file in this example, because we have not written here W, that means it will be created as a text. But the file, when we are opening, I have opened it by using the binary mode. So when this file will be opened, we can move the file pointer with negative offset, because now it is opened for us in a binary mode. Now the first statement here is what? After opening the file, print d.tell. What it will do? As we know that when the file has been opened, whether it is a binary file or text file, the file pointer is at the beginning, and which is the 0th byte. So it will return us 0. Let's see the output. Then what we have done, we have read 5 bytes from the file, and if we are going to print that 5 bytes, what will be the 5 bytes? S at 0, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 bytes means not the counting. 5 bytes means starting for 5 bytes. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, up to this space, this matter will be printed by this statement. So this will be the effect of. Why it is prefixed with B? Because we have opened it in a binary mode. Okay. Now what happened? If we have taken we have read the 5 bytes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the current position of the pointer. Current position of the pointer means up to space we have studied, we have read. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, space is also there. So reading space, after reading space, where would be the pointer? At S. Okay, so current position is S. If we move -2 bytes backward from this S, so this is 1, this is -1, this is -2. So where would be the pointer now? At Y. Or similarly, very simple, the current position, if we talk about, so we have read the 5 bytes. Okay, after reading 5 bytes, if we subtract -2 from 5, what will be the place? Third. So it is telling us the third place. We can see from this place also that what is the place of Y? 0, 1, 2, 3. So it is showing you the place of Y. This is 3. Again we have read 2 bytes from Y. So Y, 1 byte, and after Y there was a space. So it is taking and reading 2 bytes and displaying you from that place. Again, what will be printed by d.tell? Earlier it was at 3. After 3 we have added +2 in it, so the current place will be 5. Then the whole line is read from this particular place. After reading this whole line, what will be the matter? Whatever we have written in the first line. Now at the time of creation of file, see the difference, as it was created by using text file mode, or it was the text file. See the difference, that again which I told you, that whenever in text file we are talking about \n, it takes the space of 2 bytes \r \n. So it is displaying you as it is, which was stored in the memory. Then after reading, then this is what the last end reference point is end, and from minus it is from end negative offset is -2. That means from the end we are moving 5 bytes backward. So 5 bytes backward from the end. See what was written, this was the end, and 1 2 3 4 5, the matter which is written there is what? Board. So if we write this, we will get the board. Now see the next example. Here using the pickle module, I have created file. Then after that, in this file some text has been written and the file has been opened. Again, use when the file is written and it is opened again in the binary mode. First of all, we are using the load method of pickle module to load all the binary data, block of data which is written there in the file, and printing the data. So what will be the output? Whatever we have written, it will be printed. This is the output of first part. Now what I have done here, C0, again moved the pointer at the beginning, because we have read whole data by using the load method. So after loading all the data, file pointer must be at the last. That is why I have placed this pointer at the beginning. After that, what will be the place? It will be again at 0. So this statement d.tell is displaying you 0. This is the result of d.tell. Then again I have read 5 bytes from the file. So after reading 5, what will be the current place? 5. Then from 5, if we subtract 2, what will be the current place? 3. So this d.tell, this will display you 3. After that, from again the pointer from this place, we know that the pointer is at byte number 3. If we move and read next 2 bytes, where would be the pointer from this line? At 5. So this statement is displaying you 5. This example I have written only just to show you that how the current place we can use the position or seek method in binary file by using the current place of the pointer. So the next is what the current place of the file pointer is due to this statement is 5. Then from this 5 we are moving +5, or we are moving 5 bytes forward here. So the place will be after this, the pointer will be at 10. After that we have read 2 bytes, and if we know the position of pointer due to this statement, what will be the place? 12. So this way we can move the file pointer in binary files by using its current position also. This you can use, or you will use in the coming programs when we want to modify any data inside the binary file. Okay children, thank you.